It may be a microwave, but even they're not built to last very long anymore. Whoa, it's arcing! Well, what about that? Arcing! It's arcing! Piece of Chinese garbage. What Chinese garbage? Yeah, made in China, burned out in America. You ever want to buy a microwave? I think you better think of buying one that's made in Japan, Thailand, anywhere but China. Man, look at that. Burned. Absolutely burned. And scorched. Yep. Another piece of toasted Chinese garbage. Yeah. Yep, that is a burn mark right there. Yep. Those Chinese certainly cannot be trusted to make anything for us anymore, it seems. Not fans, not heaters, not power washers, and not even microwaves. Aha! So that's what caused the microwave to start arcing and shorting out. Yeah, it was this thing right here.